Why does your scanner show the P0035 engine code? What does it mean? P0035 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve, A, control circuit high. It indicates the PCM detects a problem with the turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve. Circuit issues. PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in GMC or Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.